Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Back up to an external drive or cloud so you can delete freely. Once done, close unneeded apps and open Task Manager to stop processes hogging resources. Now empty the recycle bin and run disk cleanup. Choose System Files. This removes temp, update, and installer junk. You do this first because it quickly reclaims space and speeds the next steps, making larger scans and uninstallations safer and faster. Now dig into what's occupying the drive. Open Settings or Control Panel and uninstall apps you no longer use, sorting by size to hit the biggest offenders first. Next, run a disk analyzer to visualize large folders and duplicate files. This helps you decide what to delete versus move. Once you identify media and large archives, move them to external storage or cloud, and compress archives when you don't need instant access. This reduces local footprint while preserving data. Finish by running a full antivirus and anti-malware scan, then clear browser caches and remove old system restore points to free reserved space. After that, optimize storage. Defrag hard drives or run the SSD optimize command, and review cloud sync settings like OneDrive files on demand so files aren't duplicated locally. If space is still tight, inspect hidden system folders and user profiles. And as a last resort,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.